What's up, vapors? In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Smok G-Priv. I'm going to give you everything you need to know, including what's inside of the box and how does this bad boy vape. Alright guys, Defazio here with Defazio Vapes, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the G-Priv 2. Now, this is the brand new addition to the G-Priv, and you know, Smok's coming out with a whole bunch of brand new mods, brand new tanks and things like that. I personally love them. I got the mag kit and I have the print stick on the way, so stay tuned for some reviews on those. Also, if you guys want to get access to any of these mods, there is a link in the description with discounts codes. I also have a promotion going on, so if you guys want to get access to our private vape juice collection, all you got to do is use the discount code in the description below. When you get 2 bottles of vape juice, you're going to get 20% off. So awesome way to, test out some new flavors while saving some money at the same time. I'm currently vaping on cookies and cream, which tastes amazing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll guys see I loaded this up not too long ago. For the G-Priv, inside of the box, as you guys see here, you're gonna get standard packaging. I love the Smok, packaging. It really reminds me, can't seem to get this freaking box open. It reminds me of Apple products. Apple's packaging is amazing. So you're gonna get your battery, you're gonna get this thing, I don't know what the hell that is. We're gonna get the little card for our Smok with a QR. That's where your box mod is gonna be. Charging cable, book. You're gonna get this really cool and ugly rubber container. We won't be using that, so we can just toss that over there. And then you're gonna get backup O-rings, purple O-rings if you want. I believe they come with different colors. I do have the rainbow edition, so that is probably why they are purple. You're gonna get your little rubber, and then you're gonna get a straight tube, straight glass tube, which is gonna be a 5 mil. Now, if you guys look and see, we do have the fishbowl on it right now, which is gonna give you an 8 mil tank. We got the rainbow color, the back piece, which is magnetic, you can pop it off, and then you're gonna have your 2-bay port for your batteries. And you wanna make sure that you run the cable through, kind of like I did, so that you can pull both of your batteries out with ease. And then you're gonna have the LCD screen, which you're gonna be able to go through. There's going to be variable wattage mode, temperature control mode. You can change the screen color. I got it on blue right now. Let's change it to red. So now as you guys see here, everything is red. Very, very cool. Actually, that dashboard looks very cool with the red. I think I'm going to leave it like that. So right now we're vaping on about 80 watts. And this thing makes some clouds, and the flavor production is amazing. So if you guys are looking for a intermediate to advanced box mod where you don't have to make your own coil or anything like that, but it still produces some nice clouds for all you wannabe cloud chasers out there, or maybe you're a professional cloud chaser, this is a great mod. You can make some big clouds with it. I personally can't do any tricks, but I love seeing them, and I've seen a lot of people using this bad boy. All right, so all in all, what would I give this out of a 10? I would give this guy probably about a 9. I have noticed a couple issues with the LCD screen. It does sometimes freeze up, so you got to turn it off, turn it back on. She works no problem. Other than that, the tank is amazing. You're going to get your standard 510 adapter, as you guys see here, 510 adapter with your gold plate on the bottom. Standard issue, all Smok mods, all smoke mods, however you want to pronounce it. They're all very high quality, and they vape like a beast. So that's going to be pretty much it for this review, guys. I have been vaping on this every single day. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I've been vaping on it every single day. I've probably gone through, I think I'm on my second coil now. The only issue with these bigger coils is, with some of the smaller ones, they can go bad. You can still vape on them a little bit, but something with these, when the flavor goes bad, it goes bad. There's no coming back. Just change the coil out, add some new juice to it. But all in all, great mod. I can't wait for the Smok print stick to come through, because this tank on a unregulated, just a nice little handheld is going to be amazing. I love the Smok Stick V8, so I'm really, really excited to see this one. Can't wait to get it in. If you guys are looking for some more vape-related content, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this content. Also, I love hearing from you guys in the comment section below, so make sure to leave a comment down below. I will reply, and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. This is Defazio Vapes. Vape on. Also, make sure in the description below, tons of discounts for anybody looking to pick up these mods. You can get them shipped directly to your door, and you can also get some amazing high quality vape juice. Make sure to grab 2 bottles, enter the discount code below, get 20% off, save yourself some money. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.